Perishable ingredients such as herbs, fresh juices, and cocktail garnishes required for our client's signature drink menu are always locally sourced and hand-selected whenever possible. Specialty ingredients like house-made syrups, purees, and shrubs, and any other next-level mixology innovation are things that we basically just make in-house and our clients will not be able to find in stores. My personal favorite handcrafted ingredient, oleosaccharum, which it stands for oil sugar in Latin. It is a citrus-infused sugar syrup that was commonly used in pre-Prohibition era style punch many centuries ago. As for that special sauce that I keep raving about, it's Meyer Lemon oleosaccharum. This is a unique twist on the classic thanks to Meyer Lemon's sweeter and less tart profile compared to traditional lemons. It's like a lemon and a tangerine had a baby. The resulting syrup is bright, citrusy, and slightly sweet. Not many bartenders are taking the time to make oleosaccharum, let alone do they even know what the process is. This process was taught to me by my mentor, Adam Barr, and it was very important to him to keep this method a trade secret. Now, thanks to YouTube, the cat is out the bag, and all this information that you could ever ask for is right at the tip of our fingertips. Just don't be so quick to throw up all over our guests with bartender jargon. Remember to offer outstanding service first, and then back your hospitality skills with a depth of knowledge should anyone ask questions. At the end of the day, not every booking is going to require us to provide this farm-to-table experience. Some of our clients might not really even care to have everything made fresh, but when they do, we'll have a greater control over the quality that goes into our recipes and cocktails.